Hello student, welcome to our English class grammar. Today class 8th will take chapter 4, fourth determiners. So what are determiners? Determiners is a word which identify the noun that is being referred to in a sentence. We will go now in detail. Difference between determiners and adjective. What is the difference between determiner and adjective? Determiner and adjective perform similar function, but have some difference. They are not. They have some difference, slight difference. We will see how it is different. Both determiners indicate exactly which noun is being talked about in a sentence. Which noun, particular noun it refer to, but in an adjective describe the noun and gives more information. We have studied in the last video about adjective. It gives more information about noun or about the noun, but here determiner it refer to exactly same. It does not get more information. This is the difference. Now we will see with the example. See, the monument of Delhi are known for their beautiful architectural design. The monument of Delhi means determiner of Delhi. If we see, we say the monument are known for their beautiful architect design. So here it is they are referring to of Delhi particular. Okay. Now here the determiners the point out exactly which monuments are being talked about. Which monument? The monument of Delhi, and the adjective beautiful describe the noun design. Now the adjective beautiful describe the noun design. Okay. So here second point, adjectives can have different degrees. Adjective we have seen positive, superlative, we have sweet, sweeter, sweeter, no? Comparative and superlative degree, but in determiner they do not have comparative and superlative. Here only in adjective we have degrees, sweet, positive, comparative and superlative, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Okay. We have studied in last video about adjective. Adjective may be placed either before or after a noun. Adjective is placed before noun or after noun. A determiner can be placed only before a noun. Only it is placed only before, not after. Okay. Now here we will see the example. She has a charming voice. Adjective. She has a charming voice. Her voice is charming. Here adjective it is charming. No, here charming voice. Now keep these books on the shelf. Determiner. You have several shirts to choose from. It is also determiner. Now here adjectives are not affected by quantity of the noun. It remains the same for both the singular. Now and the plural form of the noun. Determiners change according to the quantity of the pronoun. Of noun. We will see here in the example. A new book means a new book. One new book. Here the new books, books. So several new books. Here it is a new book means one, means one, and here the new books as is put. So several new books. Okay. The adjective new remains the same in both cases, but the determiner changes. The adjective new remains the same. New here also remains the same, but the determiner changes. We have different type of determiners. There are different type of determiners: article, a, an, and the. Article, you know student, we have already studied before, from starting we are studying. Now 6th, 4th, 5th, 6th article, you know, article a, when a is used, a and the. Okay. Now demonstrative: this, that, these, those. Possessive: my, our, your, his, her, it, their. And distributive: either, neither, each, every. We have already studied in our video noun, pronoun, we have studied. No? And quantifiers: some, any, much, many, several, a lot. These are of, a lot of. Okay. Interrogative: you know interrogative, what, which, whose. These we will study. These are the different type of determiners. Now we will see article, and this article in next chapter we will study in detail. Now articles can be of two types: indefinite and definite. Two type of article: a and an are the indefinite article. The is the definite article. The is the definite article. A is used before word that begins with a consonant sound, while an is used before word that begins with a vowel sound. So, this article, it does not mean that vowels and consonant are there, we have to put a and n. It is very easy. No, it is not very easy. We have to go with the sound pronunciation. With the pronunciation we have to put a, o, a, n. Okay. The use of article will be covered in detail in the next chapter. We will study in detail about article, the vowels and the consonant, the sound, everything. Now demonstrative. Demonstrative points to an indicate specific noun. There are four demonstrative: this, that, these means these, and these, those. We will say like this, we say this, that, these, those. No, this we have studied before, this and that and those, and no. These and that are used to refer a single person. I will say this is a scale, this is a scale, single, no, and or an object. This refer to things that are close, very close. This is very close to me, so I will say this is a scale. Okay. That refers to things that are at a distance from the speaker. That is a tube light, that. So, it is distant, it is not very close to me, it is in the far. So, that is a tube light, I will say. Okay, student. Now, example: this house was damaged during the earthquake last year. This house, this means this house, very close. If it is very close, I will say this house. Okay. These and those are used to refer to multiply person or object. This refer to things that are close to the speaker. Those refer to things that are at a distance from the speaker. See, these are some flowers. If flowers are in my hand, I will say these are some flowers. Okay. So, it is close to me, these flowers. Okay. And those refer to things that are at the distance from the speaker. If I say some birds are, those birds are eating grains, those birds, those means it is far distance. Okay. Now possessive. Possessive shows to which something belongs. They are mine, my house, my car. No? Means which shows something belonging to me. My house, my car, my. Our, his, hers, theirs, our and its. So, these are possessive. Example, my house is far away from the school. My house is far away from the school. Whose house? Not your house, my house is far. He recently renewed his membership at the local library. Now, these are the example. Now, we will see distributive. Refer to a group of people or thing or to individual members of the group. They are either, neither, each and every. We have already studied this also. Either, neither. Either is used to indicate one or two. Either you or me. Means one or two and both. Either candidates is suitable for the part. The billboard were located on either side of the flyover. These are the example. So, each, either we have already studied. We will go to neither now. Neither is used to show that none of the option are expectable. Example, neither of two pair of shoes fits me. Neither means used to show the none, no. Now, each is used when refer to individual members of a group. Every is used when we refer to group of a whole group. Everybody is sitting, everybody is playing on the ground. Now, each child was handed a sketch with a notebook and sanitary. Now, every group was given 10 packets of rice. Every group, each group means every group was given a packet of rice. Now, quantifiers means quantity denotes number of quantity, means it denotes number of quantity. They can be used with countable as well as uncountable. Countable, you know, countable 1, 2, 3. Uncountable, what uncountable? Milk, no? Milk, oil, these are uncountable. Okay. Some commonly used quantifiers are some. Give me some. What will say? Give me some. Oil, some. Any, much, many, several, few, a few, the few, little, a little and the little. We will see a few, a few, the few, little, a little and the little. What are they? What are these? Okay. There were many spectators at the game. A few mangoes got spoiled because of the heat. A few mango, and here little, a little and the little. Little, a little and the little are quantifiers that are used to indicate a very small quantity, a very small quantity. Little, a little and the little. When the quantity is very small, then only we will say little, a little and the little. The little may refer to remaining amount that is left, the little. See, do not get confused, I will read again. The little may refer to the remaining amount that is left. From little it is left, means the remaining amount that is left is the little. All three are used before uncountable. All three means little, a little and the little are we always use in uncountable nouns. Okay. Now, example. The old lady has little money left with her, means not much money, little. Here there was only a little milk left in the bottle, means only a small amount of milk. Now, next few, a few and the few. We have done now little, a little and the little. Here we have few, a few and the few. See the use. We use few, a few or the few when we talk about a very small quantity of countable noun. When now we a little, the little and little we talked about uncountable, and few, a few and the few is countable nouns. Now, few people in this village can read and write, only a small number of people, only a small number of people. I will meet you a few days later, not many days. Now, we have some, any, much and many. Some refer to reasonable amount of something. It is usually used with uncountable noun, but may can be used with countable noun. Some is used as positive statement. Now, example, continue again student. Example, could we have some steamed rice and chicken stew for lunch today? Used with uncountable noun. What is uncountable? On some days I like walking up ladder than usual. Used with this countable. See here it can be used with uncountable also, and in a very rare case it is used in countable noun. On some days I like walking up later than usual means used with countable. And here could we have some steam? See, some steam rice. Rice is what? Rice is uncountable. Okay. So, it can be used in uncountable also, and very rare it is used in countable. Some is used as a positive statement. Now, interrogative. Interrogative we have also already studied later, but again interrogative are used for asking question. We ask question where, what, no. Some commonly used interrogative are what, which, whose, how much and how many. Now, so interrogative, you know, interrogative are used for asking question, very simple it is. Now, we will do some exercise student. I have done few exercise for you. Some exercise I have left so that you can do your revision. Okay. So, exercises are here. You can see, fill in the blanks with appropriate article, you can do it. Okay. I will give in the PDF. Here fill in the blanks here also. Okay. So, you can do it. Okay, till here, and some exercise you have to do student. Okay, so that you will practice that exercise. Here all the exercise I have 5 I have done, rest remaining you have to do. Okay, thank you.